guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you. I've had lots of unboxings today. I've still got another 3 to do after this. I'm trying to get them all smushed in while Ben is downstairs looking after the children. Today we have Innocent Bones Mood Box. I've only been getting this for like 3 months, 4 months maybe, and I absolutely love it. It's bi-monthly. So I've had a lot more than that, so I've had 3 of them before, so I've had it for like 6 months. I didn't realise it was that long. But it's like a craft box and you get a cross stitch, which I've actually just started doing one the other day, because I just don't have any time. Get out. But I started doing one the other night. I did a little bit. It's just, it takes concentration and my brain does not like concentrating. But I've started. I can't remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I'll link it down below. This is paid for by myself. I do chat to Grace at Innocent Bones and she is just fucking lush. She's fit as shit as well. She's like a girl crush of mine. Yeah, but I pay for the box. It's amazing. So let's have a look. This is the Witching Hour box. So you get this little doodad that tells you what's in it, and then it looks like this. So that is the cross stitch. I'll look at that in a minute. So we've got the Alternative Collection Mood Colouring Box, the Witching Colouring Book, the Witching Hour. Oh my god, I love it. So it's a colouring book, and then it's got like look at these are amazing. Can't turn the pages properly, I'm being thick. Oh my goodness, I love this. And then you could totally cut these out afterwards and then frame them as prints. I love that. Oh my god, look at that. It's a dinosaur. These are amazing. Stay wild, Moonchild. Felt cute, might curse later. I love that. That is so cool. Mood teamed up with the amazing Alternative Collection to create this badass witchy colouring book. So whether you're team pencil, pen or paint, this book is full of designs to get you excited. I'm going to have a little go on that tonight. Excuse me. Next up, I've got a little box that says Witching Hour Essentials. For you. This little witch set of Witching Hour Essentials from Coven Carving contains a rose quartz for healing and dried red rose petals to promote self-love. What? Is that the rose petals? I'm confused. Oh yeah, okay. So that's tape, that's something else. So I've got a rose quartz, which I love to have. I've got so many of these. They just are all around the house and they're like my favourite crystal. So that's nice. Then I've got this little box, little bottle that I don't want to break, of rose petals. I know this unboxing isn't going to be for everybody, but I assume if you've clicked on it, then it is for you and you will enjoy it. But if you don't, that's fine. We don't all have to like the same things. That would make the world very boring. I love stuff like this. It makes me happy in my face. It makes me sing songs. So yeah, that happened. Next, I've got some tape. Washi tape. Magnets and washi tape. Your display boards and fridges have been crying out for gorgeous paper case mini magnets. Perfect holding up whatever magic you create, while your killer views washi tape. Look at this tape, it's gorgeous. Let me just try and peel a bit back to show you. So pretty. And then the magnets. Oh my god, they're amazing. They're so pretty, look. Oh my god, I want to get them out. Come out, my little beauties, come out. Get out of your plastic prison. Get out of your plastic prison. Oh, get out of the plastic prison. They're free and they're beautiful. Oh my god, the kids are going to want to steal these. My girls are 5 and 6 and they are going to absolutely love those. They are so pretty. They're going to go straight on my fridge. I love them. Then we've got a thread organiser. No more tangles and knots or finding cat hair in your thread from just the one time you dropped it on the floor. Our custom made frosted grey moon organiser is just what you need for your stitching game. Oh, I love it. Look. So you put your threads in here to keep them all nice and neat. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like that. Like, as I said, I've only just started my cross stitch beforehand. But I've got like 4 kits now. My friend bought me one for Christmas as well. She does amazing ones. You can buy the kits on their own. The one I've got now that I'm doing says be more you. You can get one that says no fucks given, don't be a dick. They're just amazing. Like, I absolutely love them. Just that. And then let's have a look at the actual cross stitch. Ah! Let's have a look. Oh, I've just fucked that, haven't I? They're counted cross stitch, which is why I was struggling, because I've never done one before. I've done loads of other cross stitches, printed ones, because I'm a 5-year-old. But these are counted ones, so it takes some time. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Look. That is the pattern today. So yeah, beautiful. I'm very excited to get all these done. I'm hoping when the babyest baby is a little bit less of a baby, he'll give me some more time and I could maybe sit and do this on the sofa while he chills the fuck out, as opposed to brushing my hair with a truck or trying to scratch out the inside of my mouth with his razor nails. So yeah, that was the box. I absolutely loved it. I think these boxes are so nice. Anyone who likes a bit of craft and self-care, I think they're an awesome present. And as I said, you can just buy the cross stitch kits online. I will link everything for you guys. Yeah, it's one of my favourite unboxings I do now. I think it's brilliant. So thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.